Are you using VLC Media Player, but your VLC Media Player is actually lagging whenever you're playing 1080p or 4K videos? If you do, then don't worry, I'm bringing you this 3-step solution for your VLC Media Player so that whenever you're playing high definition videos, it won't lag or it won't cause any skip. So let's just get started. We're going to open the VLC Media Player. We're going to go to this option called Tools. We're going to go to this option called Preferences. Once you go to Preferences, we're going to go here and there will be two options, Simple and All. We're going to select the All. Once you select that, we're going to go here and inside the video down below, we're going to go to the Output Modules. Once you go to the Output Modules, just click on this. And the video output module, this should be automatic. If it's set as disabled or something, do make it automatic because this is a very important step. So once this is automatic, that is the end of step number 1. For step number 2, you want to come back here up top to input and codecs. Once you go there, we're going to go down a little bit and we're going to look for this option called file caching. Whatever the value is showing here, do make it double. Make sure it's double. For me, it's showing 300, so I'm going to make it 600. If it's showing 400 for you, please make it 800. If it's 500, then do make it 1000. Remember this option, file caching, inside the input and codecs. Now, one more thing that you have to do here, which is our step number 3, we're going to go to the video codecs. We're going to change two settings in FFmpeg. Once you open this, make sure that this hardware decoding inside the FFmpeg, inside this, the hardware decoding, it should be automatic and your threads should be 2. Make sure these settings are on the line. Hardware decoding should be automatic, threads should be 2. And then we're going to go to the X264, and once you go here, we're going to scroll down a little bit. We're going to look for this option called number of reference frames. Make sure that this is set to 3 because it should be 3. If it's not 3, do make it a 3. And those are the very easy and simple 3 steps that you can apply to make sure your VLC Media Player is not lagging whenever you're playing any HD video, whether it's 1080p or 4K. After that, just to save it, close this, and start the VLC Media Player one more time, and the new settings will be applied. So do try them out, these 3 easy and simple steps, and let me know down in the comment section below. And thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.